In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appear offline on Steam. Whether you're looking to enjoy some uninterrupted game time or need a little digital detox without fully disconnecting, appearing offline can be a handy feature. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to switch to offline mode seamlessly. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open your Steam app. Steam, as you know, is your gateway to a world of gaming experiences, and appearing offline will not affect your ability to play games you've already downloaded on your device. So locate your Steam icon and double click to launch the app. Once you're in, at the upper right you should see the option to log in. Steam might ask you for your account name and password at this point, so make sure you have your login details handy. If you use Steam regularly, this might already be saved in your app, and all you need to do is confirm. After entering your account name and password, go ahead and click on the sign in button. This will load your Steam homepage, which if you're a frequent Steam user will feel quite familiar. You'll see your library, friends list, and maybe even a game or two vying for your attention with new updates or achievements. Now to go offline, you're going to want to direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen where it says Steam. Click on it and a drop down menu will appear. This menu holds the key to managing many aspects of your Steam experience, including our task today. Look down the list and you'll see an option labelled Go Offline. Click that and Steam will transition you into offline mode. A couple of things will happen once you've clicked Go Offline. Your friends will no longer see you as online, and any notifications or chat messages won't come through until you switch back to online mode. Of course, just like shifting offline, switching back online is just as simple. You'd follow the same steps and click Go Online instead. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you're able to change your status, giving you the freedom to play without interruption. Just remember, this won't affect your ability to play single player games that don't require an active internet connection. That's all there is to it. I hope this helps you make the most of your Steam experience. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out more of our tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and enjoy your gaming.